How to download Geometry Dash on your PC. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn that how can you download Geometry Dash on your PC. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your PC. So right now I'm opening the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so after you open browser on your system, you'll have to go in the search field and type for Geometry Dash. Okay, so after that you have to hit the enter. And now from here, you'll got a lot of options to download the Geometry Dash game. So from here, you'll have to go with the option with Steam. So you have to go with the Steam website. So simply click on it. And now from here on the Steam interface, you will got such interface. So from here to buy the Geometry Dash game, you'll have to click on this add to cart option. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option continue shopping. So simply click on this. Alright, so after you click on this continue payment, you will be redirected to the payment method. So from there, you'll have to choose the payment method as you can go through the debit card or credit card. So from there, you have to make the payment, and from there, you will be able to download and enjoy the game Geometry Dash on your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.